Welcome, guys, to my YouTube channel. So today we're learning how to recover your Facebook account that has been banned or blocked. So let's go ahead to get how to recover our account. I'll be taking you basically from step to step on how to do this using the Windows. So you can go ahead to open it on your Chrome browser application and set it to desktop mode. So I can go ahead to type here web.facebook.com. So I'll be showing you the error code I got after my account got blocked. So you can see it's on the checkpoint here as shown here on the screen. So like this channel and subscribe to it if you find this video important or useful. So they said we couldn't confirm your identity with the photo you submitted, so we should try again. I have one more trial because my Facebook account is already blocked or disabled. So let's go again to click on try again. So all what you have to do is just to follow the steps or the things showing on your screen. So I'm asked to upload a passport, a driver license, a national ID card, or other certificates. So I can go ahead to click on see more, and I'm going to see other certificates you can upload to Facebook. So this is step one on how to get your Facebook account back. So the next thing for me to do here is to click here on national ID card. So I have my NIN or national ID card. I'm going to click on next. So Facebook will ask us to upload the document, and I have the documents right here on my desktop. I'm going to go to my desktop, and I think this one so let me try to open first to see how it look like. So this is it. So this is the document I have here, and I actually want to upload to them. So what I'll just do is click on submit. So you have to read here for the photo requirements. The picture have to actually be very clear. You should snap this preferably during the daytime and make the photo very clear that you can actually see. And if you're the one to judge, you will judge well from the photo you've snapped. I'm going to click here on submit. I'm going to wait for Facebook to give me a feedback. So after you click on submit, your picture will be uploaded straight to Facebook. So after this, instead King, you've submitted an appeal on November 12, 2025. Check back here for the results. So it's going to take over just a day to reveal your information. And if the account does not follow the community standard, you will be able to, okay, if it does follow the community standard, you will be able to use Facebook again. If the account doesn't follow, you won't be able to use Facebook or appeal again rather, and your account will be permanently disabled. So if you actually want to, next step to do is to contact Facebook support. So if you can't get to do this, just go ahead to contact Facebook support. And very soon I'll be dropping a video on how to contact Facebook support. But what you have to do right here is that you have to wait a full day to get the feedback from Facebook to see if you've gotten your hacked Facebook account back. So this has worked for a lot of people. I've done for has worked for over 10 people. Have gotten their account back by just submitting the required documents they actually needed, and Facebook will review it and give you a reply in less than 48 hours. So if they don't, or the issue is still prolonging, so just go ahead to drop comments in the comment section. I'll be dropping a video very soon, and it will be also in the description about how to contact Facebook support. Thank you, and like this video. Bye.